Hi guys, thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. This is another session of MySQL. We'll be learning about primary keys and foreign keys a little bit in this thing. So without further ado, let us start it. So this was where we left in the last session. Let me just take this up and select, or rather let us see how many tables are in Edupedia. So there are quite a table. We'll be select star from say friends, and we'll be selecting from say movies. Now we are talking about the primary key. You see that friend ID and movie ID 1 2 3 4 and so on 1 2 3 4 is the primary key. Okay, primary key is very important when you are designing or putting some tables in a database. Okay, primary key, without primary key it becomes hard and it is almost impossible to play with anything within the tables. Okay, primary key is very important. Now primary key are the unique IDs. Okay, you cannot have two primary key or primary uh, ID like one in the same table. Like there cannot be one as friend ID and another one as friend ID in the same table. It cannot be like this. So each primary key represents a unique set of information with at least the primary key differentiating between the two. Okay, so even if primary key has all the other information like first name, last name, date of birth same, say Mike Wilson, and this thing is same in the second row as well, but the primary key will be different. This will be 1 and this will be 2. Okay, now this primary key also comes in picture when you have to uniquely identify some information out of a table that is relevant to another table. Say if Mike is liking say Memento and the Aviator, how do you identify that the primary ID one, that is Mike, he is liking these three movies? How do you identify? Okay, so here we have three tables with us. Now first table is the friends table, second movies table, and the third is the combination. Now here, if you will notice, I have another column added as favorite movie. We understand what is the primary key, movie ID and friend ID. It is auto increment. If we want to give it, we can give it. Now this favorite movie in this friends table is referring to the movie IDs or movie ID of the movies table, and this process is, or these keys are known as the foreign keys. So in simple definition, when one of your table has the ID referenced from another table, those keys or those IDs, basically keys, are known as the foreign keys. Okay, because you are sourcing them from a foreign table. Okay, so in our case the primary key of 1 has a foreign key of 2 because it is sourcing from another table. But when we go to movie ID, this becomes the primary key here. Alright, so basically what we are saying that Mike likes, or Mike has the favorite movie as Saving Private Ryan. Okay, so if you are using the primary key of another table into some other table, those keys are referred to as foreign keys. Now suppose we have another table and that has the keys from both the table. So in this case, the combination of these keys, that is friend ID and movie ID, becomes the primary key for this third table. But at the same time, friend ID and movie ID individually, they are the foreign keys. Okay, but their combination is a primary key for the third table. where we are referencing which year they watched and how much rating that they have given. Okay, more of this we will be able to understand in the coming sessions where we'll be learning about joins and other things. So, but at this point, just remember what is the foreign key, how we can use the combination of two keys and make them to be primary key for a third table. Okay, another thing, important thing here to notice is this thing that the combination of two keys, the foreign keys won't be same. So it cannot be like 4 here, 3 here, and again 4 here, 3 here. Okay, so this combination will be unique, and that is why it will be primary key for us. So that is it for this session. In the next session, we'll be learning more about the primary and the foreign keys and start with joins. Thank you.